Hello everyone, welcome back to Civildiary. In this video, I will show you a complete walkthrough of an under construction residential building. The ground floor slab is completed and the first floor work is partial pending. So let's see. This is the front porch area, which is around 12 by 7 feet. It gives clear and comfortable entry into the house. The main door frame position has already been fixed. This is the living room, measuring approximately 18 by 14 feet. The ground floor RCC slab has been cast already, and it's designed by considering the future load of the upper floor. There is a pooja room. It's about 5 by 6 feet 8 inches. Now let's move into the kitchen. The kitchen size 15 by 12 feet. Staircase view. This is the first bedroom, around 13 feet 4 inches by 12 feet 8 inches in size. Here is this separate WC 4 by 4 feet, and this is the bathroom, is 4 by 7 feet 6 inches. Separate bathroom and WC. This is the second bedroom, size approximately 10 feet 8 inches by 12 feet 3 inches. Now let's go upstairs. On the first floor, there is one bedroom with an attached toilet. The room size here is also around 10 feet 8 inches by 12 feet 3 inches. Now this is the terrace area, which is still an incomplete stage. The slab for the upper room hasn't been cast yet and will be completed in the next phase of construction. Let's take one final look at the entire building so you can clearly understand the overall planning and structure. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share to my channel. Thank you.